Seventh Prachi Maths exercise 2.7 question number 9. Subtract the sum of 3 by 2 and 4 by 2 from minus 1 by 4. Means इन दोनों का sum we have to subtract from minus 1 by 4. So minus 1 by 4 from minus 1 by 4 we have to subtract, this is subtract sign, 3 by 2 and 4 by 2 addition we have to subtract from minus 1 by 4. So this solution will be likewise. Now if we will solve inside bracket portion, it will be 7 upon 2 minus 1 by 4 minus 7 by 2. So now you can try yourself, like these questions already, like this calculation we are doing from exercise 2.1. so these you can try yourself. Question number 9 second part and question number 10 also you can try yourself. Seventh Prachi Math exercise 2.8. Question number 5th. Solve. This is first part we have to solve. Solution minus 7 upon 4 multiply 333 upon minus 7. So in multiplication numerator we can cancel with denominator if the same. So minus 7 and minus 7, this is numerator, this is denominator, we can cancel. Now as a numerator it is left 333 and denominator 4. These can't cancel, so answer will be this. Fifth second part you can try yourself with the same procedure. NCERT 7th class math exercise 2.8. Question number 6 multiply. This is first part, 3 by 20 multiply sign 15 upon 18. Now we can cancel numerator with denominator if on one table. So here I have cancelled 5 3 ja 15, 5 4 ja 20. These both I have cancelled. These two also we can cancel, but I have cancelled these both. You can do any way. If you think you have to cancel these, so you can cancel these. These will be cancelled on 3 table. So I have cancelled this and this. Now it will be left in numerator 3, denominator 4. Here numerator 3 and denominator 18. Now we can cancel these both. 3 1 ja 3, 3 6 ja 18. Now it is 3 by 4 multiply 1 upon 6. These two we can cancel. So now it will be left 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So numerator 1 multiply 1 1, denominator 4 multiply 2 8. So with the same procedure you can solve question number 6 second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth part. 7th Prachi Maths exercise 2.8 question number 3rd. Which rational number is the multiplicative identity for the rational numbers? Which rational number is the multiplicative identity for the rational numbers? Answer is 1. 1 only is the rational number which is the multiplicative identity for the rational numbers. 7th Prachi Maths exercise 2.8 question number 4. Question number 4 first part, we have to multiply minus 3 upon minus 7 by minus 5. Multiply minus 3 upon minus 7 by minus 5. Now solution, minus 3 upon minus 7 by multiply by means multiply sign minus 5. In multiply numerator and denominator, if minus sign negative we can cancel that both sign. It will be left 3 upon 7 multiply 5. This minus sign we can write front. Minus 3 upon 7 multiply 5 means, now if you can cancel numerator with denominator, then you cancel. Here we can't cancel this numerator and denominator, this numerator and denominator. On one table we can't cancel. That's why numerator will be multiplied with numerator and denominator with denominator. Here no denominator, you can consider 1. So now minus 3 multiply 5 will be minus 15 upon 7. Now this is the solution of question number 4 first part exercise 2.8. Question 4 second part you can try yourself with the same procedure as we have done question 4 first part. Class 7th Prachi Maths chapter 2nd exercise 2.8 question number 1. Multiple choice questions. First part, the reciprocal of minus 1 by 3 is. Reciprocal means opposite, ulta. Means reciprocal of minus 1 by 3, numerator will be denominator and denominator will be numerator. So it will be, denominator will be numerator minus 3 upon 1. So it will be minus 3 upon 1. Just minus negative sign, either it is with denominator, it will be considered with numerator. So minus sign will not be with denominator, it will be with numerator only. So minus 3 upon 1 can be minus 3. This is option B. It is multiple choice question. So option B minus 3 is right. One more point you remember, reciprocal and multiplicative inverse. If it question can be given, find the reciprocal of the number or find the multiplicative inverse of the number, that are the same. If multiplicative inverse will be given, then also we need to find out the reciprocal. So question number first, second, third, try yourself. These parts you can try yourself with the same procedure as question first part we have done. Question second, write two rational numbers which are their own reciprocals, 1 and minus 1. If we will find their reciprocal, that will be 1 and minus 1.